Thanks for staying with us on Headlines Now. Now, what does it take to feel like to be a king? Well, no need to ruffle through old history books. Just visit your nearest shopping mall where you can expect a royal treatment. Our reporter Krishnamurthy finds out how the competition among 7 big malls in Chennai is heating up ahead of the holiday season.
You are the king. Other than fancy products, this is one idea that malls are selling to you. And there's little stopping them as they gear up for the holiday season with the works. African dancers, next generation gaming stalls or snowy delights. You name it, a carnival awaits you at the local mall.
For the totally traditional retail here in the high streets, these amenities are lacking. So when you provide these amenities, people tend to spend more time in this mall.
Eyeing a target of nearly 4.5 lakh visitors per week, city malls are tugging at their creative strings. While Satyam woos parents with daycare centers such as Magic Hat, Abhirami tried to outwit their competitors by treating Chennaiites to a snowfall in the heart of the city. Meanwhile, cashing in on the gaming scene, Satyam is positioning itself strongly in the market with gaming delight Blur. Meanwhile, sticky takeaways such as massage chairs and organizing lucky draws are a must as a part of their branding strategy. But all of this comes at a price. A case in point, a major city mall spent over 20 lakh rupees recently to host an African dance troupe. And the budget outlays are only expected to escalate heading into the holiday season. But do these crowd-pulling tactics translate into sales or just plain old window shopping?
I usually don't come to the shops in the malls because it's a little costlier and the taxes are more in the malls. So I won't purchase these malls.
The mixed responses haven't deterred the malls. With owners giving optimistic projections about sales, expect more fireworks at a mall near you.
I usually come to malls to shop because everything is at the same, under one roof, like the food court and like Archie's and all the brands I want to buy is like under the same roof. So malls are amazing.
It's true that consumer is the real king. Malls are out there putting their best foot forward to make sure that you and me turn into profitable customers. And with Christmas and New Year just around the corner, you are in for a royal treatment. In Chennai, this is Krishnamurthy for NDTV Hindu.
And joining me this evening is Ms. Meena Chhabria, the marketing head with PVR. Welcome to the studios. Thanks so much for joining us. First off, there's so much of competition, so many choices that I, as a consumer as well, is looking forward to. So, how is this just a crowd-pulling tactic, or is there much more to that?
No, I don't think it's more of a crowd-pulling tactic. It's much more than that. It's a brand, it's a brand which we have built up over a period of time, and it goes according to that. And people are very choosy on brands now.
All right. So does the increased number of footfalls really translate then to the sales at retail outlets then?
Definitely, because nowadays the mall crowd is basically, because the cinema crowd translates into mall crowd now. Right. If you see the kind of percentage which converts, it's more of the cinema crowd which will go around through the mall and then do the shopping bit of it.
Right. Any golden rule on what you can really employ as a good crowd pulling strategy? Maybe some dance troupes or some of the stunts that we saw over there from African troupes?
We could we have just done a lot of festivals and events which are related to movies, and which could just pull crowd on specific event, and yeah, we have doing a lot of stuff like that.
All right, we have around 7 malls already in Chennai, which is coming up with every trick in the book to lure the customers. What have you put up in the PVR cinemas? What is attracting them this season?
First of all, I would just say that's magic in the brand, and secondly, to add up, I think now the latest which we are doing is Classic Ray-Ban Movie Festival. It's like, wow, we've got tremendous response from people. We have movies like Casablanca, Italian Job, Godfather. We have a lineup of people calling every day for passes because it's more invitee show.
Right. So does that tap every bit of the audience, from little kids to the oldies as well?
Yes, it does.
Is there anything special for any particular age group that you really cater to?
We cater to all age groups. Like if you see, which I just told you, Ray-Ban is now, and next month we're having something for the kids. We had just had a kids festival. So we go on with a lot of things which can, cater to all crowds.
And the response is?
Fabulous.
Good. Fabulous.
Yeah,
okay.
It's fabulous.
So, well, it is a busy season for you this time. So, we'll leave you to work. But thanks very much indeed for joining us on the show tonight.
Thank you.
Well, with that, we wrap this show. Thanks so much for being with us on Headlines Now. Till next time, goodbye for now.